Hello, and welcome to the Mediterranean Diet Get Started Guide. If you're ready to start enjoying all the benefits of the Mediterranean diet, you've come to the right place. This guide will get you started right. In fact, thousands of Mediterranean diet users started their journey right here with this Get Started Guide. So whether your doctor told you to start the Mediterranean diet or you decided to lose weight on your own, you wanted to start eating healthier, you wanted to start feeling better, you've come to the right place. This Get Started Guide has helped so many because it gets right to the point and gives you exactly what you need to fully adopt the Mediterranean diet. This is a good diet or way of eating for life. This Get Started Guide, the articles on my website, and the recipes are all specifically tailored to help you get started the right way. I also have a thriving Facebook group where people help and support each other in their journey. All these tools work together to make sure that everybody is getting started the right way. In addition to all these tools, the Get Started Guide, the articles, the recipes, and the Facebook group, I also have a book. This book, titled Get Started Losing Weight with the Mediterranean Diet, has helped thousands lose the weight that they need to and get healthy in the process. My process takes the guesswork out of fully adopting the Mediterranean diet for life. So you can forget about fad diets, counting calories, and tasteless meals. That's not what this is all about. So we've talked about the Get Started Guide, the articles, and recipes, and the support from the Facebook group. Please take advantage of all these resources to your health. Check in the comments down below for links to all these resources. And welcome to the Mediterranean diet. You deserve it.